Let's take a look at case markers for singular nouns. For proper nouns or names of people, the case marker is C. For common nouns like names of animals, objects, concepts, ideas, or inanimate things, or basically anything that is not a name of a person, the case marker in this case is ang. The way you use case markers in Tagalog is very simple. You just place them ahead of the noun. For example, si Peter. In English, it is just Peter. Si June, June. Si Ann, Ann. Si Marie, Marie. Si Ginoong Cruz, Mr. Cruz. Si Ginang Resurrection, Mrs. Resurrection. Si Binibining San Felipe, Miss San Felipe. The same method is used for the case marker ang for singular common nouns like ang bahay. In English, it's just house. Ang puno, tree. Ang ibon, bird. Ang aso, dog. Ang bansa, country. Ang Pilipinas, the Philippines. Ang Estados Unidos, United States. Ang karunungan, knowledge. Ang musika, music. Ang bata, child. Ang magulang, parents. Ang manlalaro, athlete or player. Ang bola, ball. Si and ang are very important markers. They draw focus into the noun. It is like making an announcement like, hey, listen up. I am about to introduce you to the focus of this sentence. That's what case markers are for. Case markers are an integral part of the Tagalog language and other Philippine languages as well.